we thought we'd also go back in time again. We enjoyed the last few songs from the Beatles and Simon and Garfunkel, so we thought we'd follow suit. And we picked a song which I'm sure you all know, written by Paul Simon, called The Sounds of Silence. We renamed it The Sounds of Kurti. Okay, hopefully he'll be able to hear it. So the music is by Paul Simon, lyrics are by me, and the harmonies have been put together, hopefully, by Guy. Harmonies, oh my God. So we're just going to wait for the birthday boy to get back to the throne. There you go. So the words are actually going to be on the screen, so you can hum along or sing along if you can follow it. And there'll be a few pictures that we've seen in the past. So, if you'd like to start, Guy, we'll go on. Hello, Kurti, my old friend. We've come to celebrate again. In Nansen village we are here with you, eating, drinking and a villain too. And we hope that your hearing works fine to its red line. So no more sounds of silence. Now Volvo's gone, you walk alone, with memories of your better home. Jack then joined you cycling round Cornwall, watched by Mr. Crombie at the school. But 'twas Liesel and Amy who were at the port, in the transport. It has the sound of silence, and just down Shakespeare Road you saw 10,000 cigars, maybe more, changing vows on your wireless set, rallied union meetings you can bet. But life really changed when you met with a little hottie. Her name was Kurti. And no more sound of silence. Because these aren't what they used to be, for skating rivers or to ski. Tulip trips across to Netherlands. Now it's Nether Street and holding hands, teaching grandkids how books really should be bound when they come round. There are no more sounds of silence, and the Morgan clan still grows, with the Elliots in tow. Mia Skypes along with Ruthie too, joined by the Aviram and Stomach crew. Now you've whistled through to 90, we can say happy birthday. So who needs sounds of silence?